Hello! Today we'll be going over how to upgrade firmware on the Muse controllers using its built-in Webpage. The first thing we'll need is the firmware file used for the upgrade. Firmware files can be downloaded from one of two locations. The first place to look is the product page of the Muse controller. On the right-hand side of the page, click the Downloads link. Then, in the middle of the page, look for the Firmware section. Click on the link to download the file. The second location firmware files can be downloaded is the Technical Support Knowledge Base located at help.harmonpro.com. Use the search box to find firmware for your Muse controller. Click on the link on the Muse firmware page to download the file. Once the file has been downloaded, use File Explorer to browse to the downloaded zip file and extract your firmware file. Look inside the extracted folder and you will find an SWU file. This is the file that will be used in upgrading the controller. Now that you have the file, log into your Muse controller's web page. Next, hover your cursor over the System drop-down menu at the top of the page and click on Firmware. On the right-hand side of the page, click the Choose File button and browse to the SWU file. Double-click on the file to select it for the upgrade. Now that the file has been selected, click the Upgrade Firmware button. At this point, the file upload will begin. As long as the file is being uploaded, the upgrade process can be canceled by clicking on the Cancel button below the progress bar. Once the upload process is complete, the Muse controller will begin processing the file. At this point, the update can no longer be canceled. The Muse controller will continue to process the file, and once it has completed, the device will reboot. This process only takes a couple of minutes, but it will depend on the size of the uploaded firmware file. Once the process is complete, browse back to the Muse controller's webpage and confirm the version has updated by referencing the version number at the top left-hand side of the page. That's it for this video. For more news and product information, visit us at our website at amx.com. For troubleshooting tips, FAQs, and code examples, visit our Anytime Help Center at help.harmonpro.com.